So, what's your approach in making big picture decisions for the exponential growth of ESDS in terms of finance, tech, and geography?
So we've realized that people need a service provider who can take end-to-end ownership. Definitely the technology is very important, and the platform that you provide to customers, that is very, very important. But beyond everything, customers need someone who takes ownership. And if something goes wrong, they can actually talk to someone and figure out a solution. So that is where ESDS plays a very, very crucial role. Now what we do is when we are dealing with online environment, like it's a 24/7 online cloud environment, sometimes the load would go up, sometimes there would be some external factors which would create the uptime, or which would create problems for services a customer is availing on the cloud. Then they reach out to us and we help them pinpoint, identify what is wrong. And that has helped us to reach where we are today. And we've now decided to scale this model all over the developing countries. We've seen there is an opportunity in the entire Middle East region, Africa region, Southeast Asia region. So we are scaling up not just in India, but there are 20 other countries we've identified in this region where we are going to grow. And we've already got some large customers in Africa also, in Nepal also. And within India, I need not say what is the positioning of ESDS. If you see all the top analyst reports and all the top firms which do this kind of rankings in India, we've been positioned amongst top 3-4 data center service providers, amongst top 3-4 cloud service providers in India. And the reason has been because we are not just a pure cloud technology company, but we are also a very, very strong managed service provider. And this model will be required in the longer run, because you never know when the next pandemic is going to happen. You never know what are the challenges going to happen in the future. So people will be required to manage infrastructure. It cannot be 100% artificial intelligence. Like we developed AI-based cloud technology 10 years back. And 2010 was the time when we launched our AI and ML based cloud technology. But today the technology is being complemented by people who bring that experience and who can take those decisions. So I see that at least for next 6 to 7 years, people will have to play a very, very crucial role, because the speed at which the transformation is happening, digital transformation is happening all over the world. If you want to do at that speed, people will play a very, very crucial role, and that is where ESDS would be required most by customers in these 20 countries where we are focusing right now.